Hey there guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clone your voice using Descript. This is absolutely mind-blowing. It gets my juices flowing for what kind of content I could possibly recreate. I repeat, we're going to use Descript to clone our voice to be able to read stuff. Step number one is to get yourself Descript and log into the dashboard. If you haven't signed up, consider using my affiliate link in the description. I promise you this feature is going to blow your mind. So step number two here, we need to find over here what says AI speaker. See, it's the fourth tab down, so click on that. And if you don't see this layout, guys, you need to go update your Descript because it has recently updated and things have changed. That's all I'm going to say. So click on new speaker right here in the middle. And what we need to do here is name your speaker. I'm going to use Chris because that's my name, so click confirm. And what we have to do now is we have to click record and then we have to say all this into it. I'll start it here. I want Descript to create an artificial version of my voice that I can create speech that sounds like me. And then after, just click the stop button. And then what we want to do here is click submit. And then you can see in the right hand corner here, it says authorizing speaker. And what it's going to essentially do here is kind of like sit there and create the speaker. So wait a couple minutes to give it some time to generate your AI voice, essentially. Because this is the voice that it's going to use to clone your voice, obviously, right? All right, so on the right-hand side, it says speaker authorized. You can now use Chris for speech generation. Okay, so let's click on projects, right? We want to start a new project to listen to this clone voice. Click on new project. Let's do video project. Actually, let's click on templates here. And then a new template. And what we need to find is a writing file. So click here, start writing. And then what we need to do to test this clone voice, we need to get some text for it to read, right? So let's go on over to ChatGPT, and I asked it to write me a joke, right? And let's say, can you remove the quotes? I don't need the quotes in the joke itself, right? So here is the paragraph, and I'm just going to copy this right here. As you can see, I'm going to go back over to Descript, and I'm going to paste this into this text box. And then once the text is in there, click on the add speaker feature right here, speak, and then it says add AI speaker to project. I'm going to choose Chris, that's me. And then what I'm going to do here is you have to give it a minute to kind of render, because what it's going to do is it's going to use this AI voice to clone as your voice and then read it. And again, what you can do is put the cursor before all the text and then click the play button. And it says sound will be present once text-to-speech is done generating. So we have to give this a minute. All right, so the video's done now. So put the mouse cursor at the beginning of it. Let's click play and have a listen.
A man walked into a bar with a small newt on his shoulder. The bartender saw the newt and asked what its name was. The man replied that its name was...
Okay, so it's pretty good, right? And depending on what you put into it and depending how loud you talk into the microphone when you do the testing, it's kind of a huge deal, I've realized. So again, this is how to clone your voice using Descript. There's so many cool tools you can do with Descript, guys. If I click on Underlord, Descript does every video I put in it. I do the studio sound feature. I remove retakes. I remove filler words. I shorten the word gaps. I fix my eyes looking at the camera when it's best. And it's just such a game changer. I usually don't get excited about tools, but this one is different. And I highly advise you check it out using the affiliate link in the description. I'm so pumped up, guys. It's so much fun to do this. All this deep fake AI like technology. I'm so ecstatic. Also, I have coaching and all kinds of courses. I have 10 YouTube channels and do this full time. So using Descript, this is like one of the tools that's closest to my heart. Hit me up in the comments if you have any further questions. I'm a normal dude, and I do get back to you. I will see you guys in the next one. How to clone your voice in Descript. Peace.